Adobe just quietly dropped a feature that's about to save you hours on every single portrait you edit. And I don't think most people have found it yet. It's called Remove Blemishes. It's brand new in Camera Raw and I'm going to show you exactly how it works right now. So let's get started. This dropped in Camera Raw 18.5 earlier this month. It's an AI-powered tool that automatically detects pimples, blemishes, and patchy skin and removes them in one click. So let's see. First, open your photo in Camera Raw, then go to the Remove tool, and here you will find a brand new option called Blemishes. Okay, and now just watch. You can see all the pimples here, and now just click on Apply, and let's see. One click, and look at that. It found every blemishes on its own. No painting, no selection, nothing. And here is the smart part. It left out this mole completely untouched. It's not just blurring skin. It knows the difference between a permanent feature and a temporary blemish. That's the whole point of this update. And you will get two sliders for more controls, like amount. It controls how aggressive it is. So let's see, if you decrease the amount, you can see more and more pimples visible. So leave it 100%. I think that works most of the cases. And then the fade slider, it controls the visibility of moles and freckles like thing. So if we increase it to 100, you can see the moles are gone. I think keep it to 50 is a good option. So that's it. Here is the before and after. This is generally one of these updates that's really going to save your time. And if you don't see this yet, update your Camera Raw. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.